We have to understand how we are set up. So here we have our back line of 4, which incorporates our 2 center backs, our left and right back. And then in the center of the pitch, we have our 4 midfielders who compress into the center to create a second line of 4. And then, of course, 2 attackers who start the first line of defense. And this is, of course, 2 players, usually a winger and the forward or the attacking midfielder with a forward. Or if you play in the 4-4-2 formation offensively, then these would simply just be the 2 forwards playing that formation. So then when shifting in the 4-4-2, we have to pay attention to where the ball is and essentially move with respect to where the ball is, okay? So now let's take a look. For example, here is the first bit of pressure, right? Once they start getting into the midfield, so into the middle third of the pitch. Once the opponents enter a certain zone, let's say, for example, this little zone here, then this is essentially when we start with our moving. Because up until that point, the center backs would essentially just be either dribbling or passing and trying to get up the pitch. But it's not until we get around the midfield that we want to implement some of these concepts that